I'm Mariano Belinki. I run the Innovation Fund for Santander, the new corporate VC arm that the bank set up in July of 2014.
Lovely, Mariano. Lovely to speak to you. Thank you very much for joining me. You've just come off the stage at the Guildhall.
I have.
Very exciting. Can you tell us a little bit about Santander Innoventures and what the vision is?
Absolutely. So Innoventures was launched as part of a number of strategic initiatives by who was then CEO of the bank here in the UK, Anna Botín, who's now the chairman of the group, to sort of recapture innovation and bring it back to the bank, right? We spent, as a bank, as an institution, we spent 7-8 years focused on regulation, on getting out of the crisis, and now, you know, we pretty much skip a generation of clients, and so we really have to learn again how to serve those clients who are not consuming financial services the way they used to. So the fund is set up as the more sort of inorganic arm of a number of initiatives to really reach out to this innovation that's happening in the fintech world, not just in London but in other places as well, like New York, like Israel, like LATAM, and try to find the right firms to partner with, and not just provide capital, which is needed, but at the same time in fairly good supply these days, but also opening all of the resources and assets that the bank has across the 10 geographies and the 100 million clients that we have, and really helping companies scale and grow and become true partners of Santander without killing innovation in the process. So it's a bit of a balancing act that we have to do here.
And are the banks doing enough at the moment, do you think, or could more be done to support those?
I think to some extent every bank is sort of thinking on how to do this, right? You see banks participating in the accelerator space, setting up funds. You have banks that without even an explicit structure are already investing in companies. So everyone knows that innovating from within is very hard, and that you have to somehow be part of this new revolution that's happening.
Yeah. You talked a bit just before about New York versus London. Clearly we're here in the city, heart of London today, and it's tipped as the global heart of fintech. How important do you think that is, and how do we stay there?
So I think there are a couple of components that make for a successful ecosystem in fintech, right? I think we've seen what I call fintech 1.0, which is everything we've seen in payments, remittances, lending, which is fine, but it's still fairly far away from the core of the trillion-dollar set of problems that we have within financial institutions. So a city like London and a city like New York, what they provide is talent, is people who spend 10, 15, 20 years sitting in a bank, and now they're going out and saying, okay, I know of a problem that needs to be fixed. I need to find a suitable co-founder, someone who's a 27-year-old Google developer, and create that that billion-dollar company that will solve a specific problem. And so there are very few cities in the world who can truly say they have a pool of talent as deep as the one we see in London. I think London, on top of that, has an amazing community of people who have come around fintech and are excited about this and are pushing about it. And you have government helping as well, which is something that you don't typically see in New York. New York has plenty of private capital, but there are no government efforts to develop that ecosystem. And I think from that point of view, London still has some advantage.
Fantastic. And you're a member yourself of Innovate Finance. Yes. What role can it play in this environment at the moment? How important is today, for example?
I think it's critical to have a sort of something that brings us all together. And I think in that sense, Innovate Finance is doing it the right way, and it should continue doing it so. But it's important that we have a place where the investors and the entrepreneurs and the regulators and everyone else who's involved in the ecosystem can sort of find each other and keep on developing that ecosystem.
Fantastic. Very interesting. Thank you very much, Mariano. Lovely to talk to you.
Pleasure. Thank you.